Today we're gonna try to make a pot pie. arrived. This is what we got. I can't tilt it all the way because I know what time it is. Y'all know what time it is? Let's try it. Don't be ashamed to say your prayers, people. Shout out to all my believers out there, man. There you go. We're gonna go in right. Which part y'all see? Right here? Can you hear that? It's nice and crispy. And this is what, ooh. This is what it good. That's nice and thick in there too. Let's see. Get some of that out of there. Ooh. Oh my God. Let's see what it tastes like. I want to get some of the crust. That's good. Hey, I ain't gonna lie, that's good. That's that fire. It's better than anything you get out of that truck stop. None of the vegetables overpower the rotisserie chicken. The rotisserie chicken, because it's rotisserie chicken specifically and not just baked chicken, it adds a different element of flavor. All the seasonings and spices that were on there when they roasted it adds to the flavor of the pot pie. That heavy cream is a must. It adds to the consistency of it. It gives it like a creamy texture, but what cream does is somehow it changes, it transforms flavors. And so it adds like a key element to it that you can't really explain it, but it just makes things better. It's like, think about an orange cream soda. Orange is good by itself, but when you add that the heavy cream or the whatever you would add in there, it just makes it better. I can't explain it. I wish I could explain it better. See how the chicken is shredded? I just burned my mouth. It was worth it. See that little piece right there? The crust. That right there is a dub. If you look inside, I don't know if you can see inside. It's not soupy. So you might think, oh, that's dry. It's not dry. It's not dry. It keeps its moisture. Like I said, everything in here is seasoned well. I was a little bit afraid that it might be a little bit over seasoned, because I know normally the rotisserie chicken from Walmart is a bit on the salty side. But no, it's all seasoned perfectly. And it was a good move to go ahead and bake the bottom layer of crust a little bit until before pouring in the rest of the filling, because it would have just made it soggy. It actually holds up well on the bottom. Keep burning myself. I'm gonna catch y'all next time.